Having a spa day at home can be just as relaxing and beautifying as a day spent at an expensive spa. To create a serene atmosphere, choose a day with no interruptions. Turn off your phone and light candles. Draw a hot bath at the right temperature. Dim the lights and play soothing music. Enhance your bath by adding bath salts, essential oils, or other ingredients to promote relaxation and aromatherapy. You can also try a homemade mud mask using cosmetic clay. While soaking, massage your sore muscles and exfoliate your skin using a loofah or body scrub. After drying off, apply a nourishing lotion and gently exfoliate your face. Give yourself a steam treatment and apply a face mask for a soft and refreshed feeling. Moisturize your face with a cream or facial oil. For a manicure, remove old polish, soak your fingers, trim and file your nails, and push back your cuticles. Apply a base coat, color, and top coat to complete your manicure.